Guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm reviewing this hair from Donmily Wigs, and it came in this box, and in the box there's this plastic bag that contains the hair, and you have some accessories which you can use, under the wig, and also use to protect and give your hair security. And so this hair is machine made wig with bangs, and is body wave human hair, and it's 150% density, and it is 22 inches. And so this is what it looks like out of the bag. And yeah, this hair, you don't need to worry about got to be glue or any other install. Yeah, so I went ahead and I washed this hair before, and this is what it looks like after I washed it, and I've been wearing it for weeks. So I decided to come and give my honest review on this hair. So I want to repeat what I did before that I didn't film here. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it. Go ahead with my Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. It's important to use a good conditioner to wash your hair, because if you want your hair to last, you have to just use good products. And I really like this Tresemme. So yeah, so I'm going to first of all saturate the wig with water, and I'm going to apply the shampoo. I'm going to wash it thoroughly, very well, and after I'll talk to you guys. All right, so after I washed it, this is what the wet hair looks like. So I'm going to allow this to air dry, and so I left it on my mannequin to air dry, and yeah, you can see that the curls just came back. So now I'm going to go ahead and just bring this hair back to life by using my flat iron. And because I've been wearing this hair with the natural coil, I'm going to go ahead and flat iron it today to see what it looks like straight. And so this is what I'll be doing. I'm going to apply my hair oil. You can use any hair oil that is available to you. You don't have to use this particular one. And so, but this is what I'm using for this video. Now using my straight iron, I'm going to bring the bang back, so you see how beautiful it is. I've not actually cut this bang. This is how it came, and I think it's a one size fits all, so it's nice. The length is good, but if you feel that you need to just like trim a little bit of hair, after wash, which is normal, you can just do that to remove all the flyovers on top of it. So just I went ahead and do that, and I'm going to go ahead and just flat iron the whole hair. So guys, remember to check the description box for all the information about this hair and where to buy it. And remember, this wig is from Donmily Hair, and yeah, this is my honest review. And like you can see, everything is beautiful, and look, this is what it looks like straight, and I really love it. All right, so putting this wig on is one of the simplest thing to do because you don't have to prepare anything. So I just throw this wig on, make sure that I have it adjusted to my size, and boom, guys, that is all that is left to be done. You don't really need to do much because this is very simple, this is easy, this is stress free, and like you can see, the bangs are beautiful, and I love this hair even straight, and I like it also with the natural wavy that came with it. And so, guys, this there's not much talk. This quality is beautiful, you can see it yourself. So make sure you check this hair in the description box, and make sure you drop me a comment in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, make sure you share this video, and yeah, that's all for now until my next video. So thanks so much, guys. Bye.